Hello makeup lover and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've already been here before. If not, my name is Malene. I'm a Danish makeup artist living in Barcelona in Spain. For today's two different looks, I pulled out this little guy here, the Ladybug Glow. You can still get it on Etsy, and it has a pretty good price, and it's a pretty amazing palette. It has a color story that makes it possible to do a variation of looks. Only our creativity sets the boundaries. Now, if you want to see how I did these two different looks, then hang in there and I will show you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or good ideas for future content, please put it in the comment box. And of course, lastly, if you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Now, let's go ahead and do some makeup, shall we? To begin with, I'm going to show you the palette. Let's get some makeup on. I primed my eye with the P. Louise eyeshadow base already, and now I dipped into the color Cute with my Blender Pro. These colors are very pigmented, so I'm gonna take it slow and just build up the look of the colors. I just dipped a single time, so it's not so crazy or anything, even though it's a very colorful palette. Dip my mini booster into the cherry red color that's called Loud, and it is loud if you're not careful, so I'm just gonna stamp that on here in the crease ever so gently. I'm just checking to see if I'm actually in the frame. Here we go. Gonna put on some more Loud in the crease with my mini booster, and I'm starting the same way. I'm just stamping it on, and then I'm going back and forth. Now you can really see it come to life. And always remember, when you're working with strong colors or with eyeshadow in general and you have a little bit of a hooded eye situation, always check how it looks when you look at yourself directly in the mirror like this. With my Blender Pro, I'm gonna put a little bit more Cute here and use this to blend out the borders. On the monitor, this looks pretty pink already. As you saw, there is a beautiful black color. It's called Night. I dipped into that one with my Builder Pro. And I'm just stamping it here on the outer part of my mobile lid. And as you can see, this is also a very pigmented color, but it can be blended out. Just a little bit here into the middle. Brushed off the color from the brush, and now I'm just gonna blend out the black a little bit here with the same brush I just used, but with nothing on it. Blending it into the red here and upwards and out. I dip my brush into the Wow, the special shade, the duochrome, and if you know anything about Pat McGrath, you will see that this is very, very close to that color from the Divine Rose too, and it acts the same way. There is no real highlighting shade in this palette, so I'm just going to dip into the Disco Silver color and just stamp on a little bit and then work it. Oh, maybe I got a little bit too much. I'm just going to brush off my brush and then I'm going to try and blend it out. I don't want a silver border up here. Just trying to blend it out a little bit. It's a little better now, don't you think? For the under eyes, I'm going to start with a little bit of Cute with my soft definer brush from Sona G. And we have a plane coming. If you can hear any noise, that's just it. It's going to pass anytime soon. I'm going to take my Pat McGrath eyeliner to give it a wing liner here in black. Back with a little bit of mascara on, and now I'm going to go off cam and put on some false lashes. Back with some false lashes on and a little dot as a highlighter in the inner corner. I'm now going to go on to the next eye. I'm going to start by highlighting, and I just put a teeny tiny bit on my Builder Pro, and I'm now going to blend it out. Like so. I love the purple, so I dipped into that, and I'm gonna start on my outer corner here, just stamping it on to begin with my Builder Pro, and then I'm gonna work it a little bit into my crease here, or the transition area, whatever you want to call it. Up to you. I will not judge you. Just stamping it on, so you can see that the color is a little bit more see-through here on the upper part, rather on the mobile lid. Dipped into the same color again, gonna do the same thing again, gonna stamp it on the mobile eyelid to make the color more concentrated here. And then I'm gonna go up into my crease and transition area, mostly here in the outer part of my eye. There is a green color, like a green aquamarine kind of color. I think it's called Rad. I am gonna put that right here next to the purple on the middle of my eyelid, and I'm gonna blend it a little bit into the purple. Like so. And if there's some kind of neon color, and especially neon green in the palette, you can be sure that I'm going to use that. So of course I dipped into that. If you wanted more light and super neon, you can use a white base. You can either use a white pencil if you have that, or you can use a white eye primer base. To spice the look and the matte eye colors up a little bit, I dipped my ring finger into the disco silver color and just putting them on top here. So it also gives you a better blend. It might look from one color to the other. I turned into a disco ball under my eyes because I had not put any powder under my eye for the fallout of the silvery shade. But it's all gone now, kind of. I put some concealer on and I mixed the purple color with the cute pinkish salmon-like color. And I'm just going to use that as an eyeliner under my eye here. So as you can see, even though it's a quite colorful look, it's not so crazy because it's light. It's not super dark or in your face. It's okay. It's it's a little bit more discreet. I'm gonna put a little bit more of the purple color on the outer part here and mix it into the upper purple. I just want the color to be like washed out a little bit here. Gonna use the silver as a highlighting inner corner shade for this look too. Skipped the eyeliner and went directly into a little bit of mascara so we can keep this look a little soft and not too heavy. I'm now going to go off cam and put on some false lashes. And here you see the look with some false eyelashes on. I'm now going to go off cam and put on a full face of makeup so you can see what the two different looks look like with a full face of makeup. And here you have it, the two different look with a full face of makeup. On my cheeks, I am actually wearing the Bridgerton blush palette and the highlighter, well, not the whole palette. I'm using the lightest pink shade from that palette and the highlighting shade. On my lips, I am using the Pat McGrath Matte Trans in the color Orchid, Deep Orchid, sorry. I'm gonna put on my glasses so you can see what it looks like with glasses on. This is it. As you can see, you can make different looks with this palette. It has a unique color story. I really like it. It's super quality at a very, very good price, so I highly recommend it. Now, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or good ideas for future content, please put it in the comment box. And of course, if you like to see videos like these, please subscribe to my channel. Now, thank you so much for taking your time out of your schedule to watch this video, and I hope to see you soon. Have an awesome day. Bye. Mwah.